Hello traders, I hope you're doing well. Traders, especially living in the United States, they are aware of the issue where if you're trading with prop firms, then prop firms are moving to different platform, like I believe it's a DXTrade for most of US-based clients. And there is not a lot of material available on YouTube or on Google. So I'm gonna just try to help you because I'm dealing with the same situation over here. So whatever I will learn, I'll try to share with my fellow traders to help you out. If you like the content, please like and subscribe for future videos. So when you this is I'm like giving the example of like FTMO. So there might be like some other prop firms who are also using like DXTrade and using the similar interface. So when you first time you will log on, you will see interface like this. So I trade indices. So what I'm going to do is I will create a new watch list over here. I'll just click create your list. I'll name it as indices. Okay, and I'll populate it US 30. Okay, next one is US 100. Okay, so now I will enable one-click trading because like normally like a trader who are doing scalping or like a trading like with this indices. So normally we do like a quick and quick outs unless you are doing like a swing trading. So enable one-click trading, activate it. I'll click on this option over here. So part of this is like we have the option to define like whenever we are doing like one-click trading, so we can set up default stop loss and take profit, and then we can readjust it. So in this case, I'll click on this icon over here. So we can define like stop loss and take profit. So during my testing, I noticed that like in MT4 sometime like 50 pips you have to define as like a 5,000 points, like a 5,000 in MT4, but this is not the case with DXTrade. When I initially tested, I typed 5,000, so it was really like a 5,000 pips. So in this case, we have to just use like a 50 pips if you want to set the stop loss for 50 pips and 75 pips for take profit. You can set it however you like. So this is in this example, I'm setting up 50 pips for stop loss and 75 pips for take profit. Apply. Same thing for US 100. So I was testing it, so at that time I set it up as 5,000. So it's 50 and this is 75 pips. Click on apply. Okay, and I'll change the instrument to US 30. US 30. So just for testing, I have set lot size to 0.01. I'll click on buy here. Order has been filled. So one thing you'll notice, like if we have set stop loss and take profit, so you will see it over here. And if you want to see where exactly it is, so if you click on this plus sign over here, so you'll be able to see it. Okay. All right. 1 second. Okay. All right, so yes, I do see stop loss is right over here. So if you need to move stop loss, all you have to do is just click on stop loss over here, and you just have to drag it up and change the stop loss. Let's say if your trade is in profit, you want to set a break even, all you have to do is just drag it, and it will ask for the confirmation. So you can just click on modify here. So same thing with the take profit, you just have to drag it, and if you need to close it, I can simply go under like a positions tab, and I can click on this cross to close my running trade. Trade has been closed. So please stay tuned for future videos. Again, if you like the contents, please like and subscribe, and I'll be posting like more videos. Thanks again for watching.